Somerset.
6 minutes past 8. It should be confirmed later today that the British Olympic Association has lost its legal battle to keep athletes who've served drugs bans out of the Great Britain Olympic team for life.
The ruling clears the way for the sprinter Dwain Chambers and the cyclist David Miller to be considered for this year's Summer London Games if they qualify.
Their way this time. Dwain Chambers is away well.
He thought his Olympic dreams had long since ended, but this afternoon Dwain Chambers will be able to read the judgment that states he should be allowed to compete at London 2012. 4 years ago, Chambers had gone to the High Court to challenge the British Olympic Association's ban on former drugs chiefs. He lost, but now the Court of Arbitration for Sport has ruled in his favour. Not many British athletes agree with today's verdict.
I think it's a shame. I think it's a negative message. I think the sport needs to, go the other way and make the punishment so much more severe.
After his drugs ban, Chambers briefly tried his hand at American football. But since returning to athletics, he's proved that he can still compete with the world's best. At the age of 34, he might struggle to get on the podium at London 2012, but just by being there, he'll be demonstrating to the world that a drugs ban is no longer the end of a British athlete's Olympic ambitions. He believes he's already served enough punishment for offences committed a decade ago. He's well aware that some spectators, and even fellow competitors, won't agree. James Pearce, BBC News.
David Cameron has